help you?
Yes, can I speak to your manager, please?
Speaking?
Okay. I'd like to file a complaint. I was in there about 5 p.m. yesterday. I ordered a Happy Meal, and I ate it. Well, it turns out the Happy Meal wasn't very happy. It gave me the shits.
Hold on a minute. Say that again.
I'm sorry?
Could you repeat that again, please? Hello?
Yes.
Can you say that again?
Yes. I was in there 5 p.m. yesterday. I ordered the Happy Meal.
Uh-huh.
I ate it. Well, and today I got the shits.
Okay, what kind of Happy Meal?
The Happy Meal's a little dragon toy inside.
Huh?
It was a Happy Meal with a little dragon toy inside. It was a hamburger.
Okay, hold on. Hamburger Happy Meal, okay? About 5 p.m. yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think? You think that the hamburger made you sick?
I'm sorry?
Do you think the hamburger you ate made you sick?
Yeah, I think the hamburger I ate gave me the shits.
That's what I'm saying. You think the hamburger made you sick, right?
Yes.
How do you know? Did you go to the doctor? Was the hospital confirmed that?
No, but that's the only thing I ate yesterday, and today I had the raging shits.
Okay, fine. You need to go to the hospital first.
But,
No, I can't just admit that because you don't know what made you sick.
well, I wanted to call you back because I got the shits.
So you need to go to the hospital and find out. Then if they say it was what you ate yesterday, that's when you will bring the complaint to us.
Yeah, but I thought I would consult you because you're the food I ate that gave me the shits.
Well, we don't serve bad hamburgers here, and nobody has called since yesterday that the burger we served yesterday made them sick. That's you. So you need to go to the hospital, find out, let them check you out.
I didn't get the shits until today.
Okay, sir, that's what I'm saying. We don't serve expired food. We serve good food, so that you claim that you're sick. So all you gotta do is bring us something from the hospital, saying that they have to diagnose you and let us know that it was what you ate. The hamburger you ate from McDonald's made you sick.
Well, I don't
You know
need,
what I'm saying?
I don't need a diagnosis because I know what I have, and what I have is the shits.
Okay, sir. You need to go to the hospital. Okay?
It was your hamburgers. They gave me the
Alright,
doodles.
please, I have customers right now, okay?
What?
Go to the hospital and bring us a report from the hospital saying that it was a hamburger. Okay?
It was your hamburgers that gave me the shits.
Okay, if you say it was a hamburger that made you sick, go to the hospital. They need to diagnose you, check you out.
You gave me the raisin shits, okay?
Thank you.
I'm sitting here dehydrated with your anti-city hamburgers. I'm dehydrated because I had the shits.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Is this manager?
Hello? How can I help you?
Is this the manager?
Yeah, this is the manager, yes.
Alright, your burgers gave me the shits.
Who is this?
My name is Scott C. Sanders. I was in there yesterday. Got the Happy Meal. And today I was upset and I got the shits.
Okay, sir. You need to go to the hospital, okay?
I can't go to the hospital.
Okay?
I have the shits. Your shitty hamburgers, your nasty little shitty hamburgers.
Okay, sir. Please, calm down, okay? If you feel you're sick, go to the hospital, okay? And get checked out.
But your
You
burgers
need
gave
to go
me
to
the
the
shits.
hospital.
Shits.
Okay?
Shits.
Thank you.
Hello? He hung up.